Hi guys, how you going? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. So today we're up at Wombat State Forest. We're doing a whole heap of testing of the new BGT4x4 aluminium backbone system for the Pajero Gen 4 and Gen 3. So we've got Rooftop Tent, the OpenRoad Rooftop Tent mounted, which is about 73 odd kilos. Plus we've also got a new OpenRoad 270 Plus Awning mounted up onto the backbone system, and we've been doing a whole lot of full driving in some pretty bad conditions actually. So we're just doing a big hill climb. We've just climbed about, I think, 350 meters, and we just stopped before, had a bit of lunch, went and checked out all of the mounting points and so forth on the backbone system, and yeah, the rooftop tent hasn't moved one iota. The backbone system seems to be holding up really well. Haven't seen any issues at all. So if you're concerned about it being aluminium, based on sort of all the stuff I've done to it so far, I've had no issues at all. So I was running the original steel one, then they came out with the lightweight aluminium one, which is 4mm aluminium, and yeah mate, she's the goods, no issues at all. So if you're interested in actually purchasing one, you can click on the link on the screen. I'll put it up for you, and again you get a bit of a discount, and you also help out the channel. But yeah, she's been doing really well, and we've taken her through, mate, all sorts of crazy conditions, and there's been no issues whatsoever. I'll give you a bit of a look at some of the terrain we've been driving through. So like I said, we've just completed a big hill climb. Mate, there's been bogs everywhere because we've had so much rain. We got stuck a few times as well. We had to get the winch out several times just to get both of us through. So, and we've got a new guy in the group, Jason. It's his first time out four-wheel driving. We were planning on something nice and easy for him, but it's ended up being quite a challenging day. So, but yeah, lots of good fun. Even had to have Lionel out crawling over the bonnet because yeah, we got a lot of that lovely bog water flowing into my car, so we had to sort of crawl on the bonnet, get the winch cable out. Silly us, didn't prepare the winch cable before going into some of these bogs, so it was all a little bit of fun, but it all worked out really well. Anyway, that was just a bit of a quick update. So if you're contemplating looking for a backbone system for your Pajero, BGT4x4 is the way to go. Yeah, alrighty, I'm about to sign off. It's getting late in the day now, so we're trying to find our way out of here, and let's hope that it always gets to that point in the late afternoon where you start sort of making plans to head home, and then it sort of nothing goes as planned, and you end up getting home really late. So let's hope that doesn't happen to us. Alrighty guys, so if I don't see you out in the trails or the tracks, I shall see you in the next video. Cheers guys, bye.